One of the reasons we moved here was because it was nearby prestigious schools.
我的孩子喜欢在国际学校上学，他们都是讲英语的，我觉得这个氛围很好。
My husband is a Japanese and I'm Indonesian. During our free time, we would like to travel. The closest airport to us is Singapore.
Highway is very accessible. There's not much traffic.
20 minutes on the highway and then a couple of minutes off the highway to my office, so very easy.
Avira is surrounded by lots of convenience. You've got supermarket stores just across the road.
The layout of Avira is quite unique. We love that aspect that there's light, there's brightness coming in from everywhere.
And airy because of the spaces in between the houses.
You've got the great pool. The pool side of things is marvellous.
我们的屋子也非常宽敞，每个人都有自己的私人空间，所以我觉得非常好。在 Avira 居住2年，认识了很多很多的朋友。因为这边的话，它不只局限于当地人。
It's quite a strong multicultural neighbourhood as well, which we like.
The management is, they are all very helpful.
Very friendly and they help us to get a lot of things done.
They are very responsive. They're very kind.
So living in Avira is like we are living in the nature.
You are surrounded by greenery. It's very peaceful. It's very quiet. It's almost like you're living here on your own sometimes.
Ananya, do you like Avira? Do you like living in Avira? Say, Amma, say it loud, loud.